too early for this. I'm warming up the car. I'm heading to work. But why? Why is it snowing again? Lightly, but it's still snowing. We are currently in Renton. I'm picking up some tail lights from another Evo friend I met on Facebook. So we are driving the Evo today. Not because I wanted to, but because my work car decided it didn't have a battery in it. So yeah, we just couldn't drive it. Yo, I came here to pick up some taillights. And look at all these Evos and some Beamers over there. This is sweet. Love it. Ah, damn. Got odors. Another Evo. Wow. Yo, Sam's got the hookups. We're getting some nice leather door cards for our Evo as well. Look at those things. They're sweet. Yeah, it's got so many Evos in here. Sheesh, on the way home now. That thing's fucking sweet. Woo! That's sick. I've just come back from like Renton area, and I'm at the shop. I'm about to pull in the Evo. Just like this here, and hopefully that's enough room. Nice. We're gonna do these door cards and stuff right now. Yo, huge shout out to Teo for helping me out with these door cards. These things are so easy to take off. I think it's only like these two screws as well, right? Yeah. Super easy to pop out. Yo, so I got these for a little bit cheaper since there's so much black overspray on these lenses. I'm not sure exactly what these went through. There's a couple scratches here and there, but I do really like this look. I think they're gonna look really good with this car, especially with the wrap and everything. I love these reds, right? I love these reds a lot, but I think these are gonna look a little bit better on this car. So we'll keep them. There's a crack on this edge too, so that's kind of one of the reasons I kind of want to do that. But yeah, I really like this. Like, you can see all the lenses. That's kind of my favorite part there. So here's a little bit of a comparison. They're pretty much the same except for just this part is leather, and I do like that a lot. So yeah, it's gonna be sweet. One thing I do need to do is clean these up a little bit because they're a little bit dirty. They've been sitting for a while. So, oh yeah, Teo's got all the shit. We ready to go, baby. Let's get it. And here's number 2 coming off the rip there. Nice, nice. We got 2 of these OEM door cards. If anybody wants these, hit me up. They're nice. They're really nice. But I just wanted the leather. Let's see if it bolts on, even with all this little damage right here. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we found a little issue with the window buttons. It seems like when you bolt them onto here, it doesn't work properly because the 8s and the 9s are a little bit different. So we can't install the rear door cards. The fronts are all in though, so I'll show you guys that in a second here. But yeah, we're gonna put these felt ones back for now. The cloth is fine. I will find a way to put a bracket in. There's supposed to be a bracket right here, and it's not on there, so yeah. Alrighty, it's time for these bitches to come out. I guess it just takes 2 screws, which is awesome. Yo. Oh, so fire, dude. So this actually came with a brake light that looks like this by Ala Lightning, and it pulses. It does the flashing whenever you brake. So we're gonna go order another one of those because it only came with 1. But yeah, this thing is looking sick now with all these. Oh, look at that. Actually, don't look at this one because it's all dirty. I need to wipe it down still. The other side though, look at that. Oh, hold on, clear you guys off real quick. A little smudgy. There you guys go. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, but like I said, the rears haven't gone in yet. They're still right there, so we'll probably have to do this some other time. Yo, the new fucking tails. Oh yeah, that looks so good. I like that a lot. This thing's sweet now, and then got the leather interior. Oh man, now all I need is seats, man. This is.
These are nice.
I need the leather Recaros. Ooh. Yo, we just finished up at the shop. We're gonna run over to Raphael's house and see if we can't test fit some wheels today. Today's a good day for this Evo, huh? Yo, I'm now in a different Evo. I'm at Raph's house. We're doing some brake bleeding again, because definitely needs it. And yeah, got Evos on Evos. I'm about to try to put these babies on. Let's get it. All right, so we just put this first one on. I took off the spacer for it as well because running these wheels, the offset's all fucked up, so that should be great. We'll see what happens when we lower it down. I think it's gonna be perfect. It looks really good.
Dude, it looks so good. One more wheel and we should be done.
Yes, sir.
From this to this. God, it looks so good. The hardware even kind of matches it as well. If you guys see, you got the gold. We got the gold. Gosh, this looks so good.
Alrighty, here we go. Putting this bitch down. Look at that, dude. Oh, we got the new tails, we got the new wheels, we got the new interior door cards that are leather. Man, this car is coming together so nicely. Look at that. Oh, man. And the man Kingston right here, the wrap. Oh, my God, dude. We out here.
Good, bro.
Heck yeah. Oh, with the sunlight coming through, too. That's beautiful. Fuck yeah. Let's torque these down to spec, and then we should be good to go. Ooh. Eric's Optima looking fire. Dude, I can't get over this right now. We got all the Evos here, man. This shit is so sick. He's coming back around. I'm gonna park right there. Damn, boy. I am hella tired though, as always. That thing. Fucking always looking clean as fuck. Look at that red. I love that red so much. I feel like I do this every single day. I wiped down the wheels a little bit. Oh my God, they look so clean. That's good fitment too. I rub a little bit in the rear when I hit like kind of really rough potholes and stuff, but honestly it's not that bad. If I need to, I'll camber in a little bit and then I won't hit anything at all. Should be Gucci. Hi, cat. Also, sunset looking crispy today. Wow. Quick little Costco hot dog after that Costco gas. I have not eaten today, so I'm about to go to the gym. I need something at least. Holy shit, it even got better. I can't even believe it. Look at that sunset. But anyways, guys, this is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.